The India Meteorological Department on Monday issued a red alert for heavy to very heavy rainfall in several districts of Odisha in view of deep depression over northwest Bay of Bengal. The red alert for heavy to very heavy rainfall has been issued for the districts of Ganjam, Kandhamal, Nayagarh, Khurda, Balangir, Baud and Puri. IMD has issued an orange warning for several other districts. As per the forecast, heavy to very heavy rainfall is very likely at isolated places in the districts of Cuttack, Angul, Dhenkanal, Jagatsinghpur, Kendrapada, Sonpur, Bargarh, Nuapada, Kalahandi, Rayagada, Koraput, Nabarangpur, Malkangiri, Gajapati and Sambalpur. As per IMD, the deep depression is very likely to move nearly northwestwards and cross Odisha coast near Puri today. Thereafter, the system is very likely to move west-northwestwards across Odisha and Chhattisgarh and gradually weaken. Light to moderate rainfall is very likely at most places, with heavy to very heavy rainfall at a few places, with extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places over South Odisha and isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall over North Odisha on September 9th. For 10th of September, heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely at isolated places of Odisha, while isolated heavy rainfall is expected in interior Odisha on September 11th.